Hi everyone, and welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have a quick mill Silvano Evo, and this machine was brought in because it was showing low brew pressure, and what we found is that there is a return water line that goes here over the water reservoir, and we noticed that when brewing, more water was returning into the reservoir than was supposed to, and that was the reason for the low pressure. And what we found is that the overpressure valve, which controls the brewing pressure, wasn't functioning correctly and allowing too much water to pass through. So we replaced that, and here it is functioning once again. We have a double basket in here right now with about 17 grams. We were trying different baskets, just to test out the machine, and one of those baskets we used was the single basket you can see here. But for some reason, this machine is just a little sensitive with the single basket. The actual screen on the bottom, the surface area, is about half the size as the double basket, and I think that provides a little too much resistance. And so when using a single basket, the shots don't pour as well as they do with a double. So important note with the Silvano Evo. All right, here we'll try a shot. All right. Oh yeah, beautiful. Alright, there it is. And we have the switch turned on in the back for steam. So, let's see, we'll give that a little test as well. Should be nice and hot. Oh yeah. Let it build for a moment. Oh yeah, there it is. Good pressure here. And nice and quiet too. Alright, and off. Well, there you have it. Quick Mill Silvano Evo. Good working pressure once again and pulling fine shots. Thanks for tuning in with us at Canning Coffee, and please like our videos.